Okay, so if I represent this A as a gaseous atom, what is our A? By A I am representing an isolated neutral atom. Now when this A is a neutral atom and electron is added, right? So what will it form? It form an anion, a negatively charged ion. And here what we said, the amount of energy released. And when during the process when the amount of energy is released, when we are saying the amount of energy is released, so it is which process? It is an exothermic process. When the amount of energy released, the process is said to be an exothermic process. Exo means outside, thermic means the heat. When the heat or energy released during a chemical reaction, during a chemical process, that is said to be the exothermic process. Clear? Now I use the word electron that absorb also. Now so released, you got released word समझ में आया बेटा? When energy is released, the process is exothermic. Now what will happen? Suppose this atom, when it will form this anion, here the electron affinity. Okay, if I said it is E1, what is the E1 indicates? E1 indicates the first electron affinity. Okay, now what is the meaning of the first electron affinity? Means when I add the one electron to the isolated gaseous atom and it forms the anion, right? That is said to be the first electron affinity. ये चीज समझ में आई क्या? फर्स्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी क्या है? जब हम आइसोलेटेड गैसियस एटम में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन को ऐड कर रहे, पहले इलेक्ट्रॉन को ऐड कर रहे, उस समय जो एनर्जी रिलीज हुई उसको हमने कहा इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी. कौन सी? फर्स्ट, बिकॉज वी एड ओनली वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. नाउ इफ वी वांट इन द सेम एटम, वी वांट टू एड वन मोर इलेक्ट्रॉन. नाउ द एटम बिकम्स एन आयन. अब हमारा एटम क्या बन गया है? एक आयन बन गया है. कौन सा आयन बना है? वो एनायन. एनायन बना है मीन्स उसके पास कौन सा चार्ज है? उसके पास निगेटिव चार्ज है. नाउ अवर एटम बिकम्स एनायन मीन्स इट इज हैविंग नाउ अ निगेटिव चार्ज. एंड यू नो negative in an anion repulsion is there. Why repulsion is there? Because electron is having repulsion, because there we are increasing electron but we are not increase the proton, so no attraction is there. आपको मेरी बात समझ में आई? एनायन जब भी फॉर्म होता है तो वहां पर इलेक्ट्रॉन का नंबर तो बढ़ता है, लेकिन प्रोटॉन बढ़ता है क्या? नहीं बढ़ता है. तो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन नहीं रहता है वहां पे. वहां पे क्या होता है? इलेक्ट्रॉन और इलेक्ट्रॉन के बीच रिपल्शन रहता है. क्लियर? एंड व्हेन रिपल्शन इज देयर, सो एंड अगेन इफ वी वांट एन इलेक्ट्रॉन टू एड इन दिस एनायन, अगर हमको इस एनायन में इलेक्ट्रॉन को ऐड करना है तो अब एनर्जी रिलीज नहीं होगी, अब हमको उसको एनर्जी देनी पड़ेगी एनायन को, राइट? और जब हम उसको एनर्जी देनी पड़ेगी तो वो एनर्जी को एब्सॉर्ब करेगा. क्लियर? सो इफ वी वांट टू एड अ इलेक्ट्रॉन इन अ एनायन, सपोज इट इज एन एनायन, I want to add an electron in this anion. So right now one electron is there, so A minus 1. When I will add one another electron is there, so what will it become beta? It will become A2 minus, because now two electrons were there. It becomes A2 minus, and now the energy is absorbed rather than released, and that is said to be E2. Here our electron affinity, what we termed is here the electron affinity, it is the second electron affinity. Got my point? What is it? It is the second electron affinity. Clear? Now you got, so whenever we want to add an electron to an anion, we have to supply the energy rather than the energy released. In this process the energy is absorbed, right? So the second electron affinity or E2, right, because it is absorbed and it is released, so we know the E1. If we will talk about the sign, So E1, in the E1 as the energy is released. Okay. So energy is released, that is why we indicate this with a minus sign. The E1 is indicated by a minus sign, while this E2 is indicated by a plus sign. E2 is indicated by the plus sign. You got why? Because here energy is absorbed. So you got, remember, the first electron affinity is always negative, while the second electron affinity is positive. Why it is so? You got better now? Why it is